Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a beast of a truck. Before we hop in this truck and talk about this lift kit a little bit, I just want to remind you we're going to be at Convoy Showdown. I'm going to roll the promo right now. You probably enjoyed that more than me talking, but yes, we'll be out there. We are the presenting sponsor, Saturday, March 5th. Make sure to come see us. It's going to be a really good show. Also, you know, we're giving away $3,333, and it ends in about 4 weeks. But even if you're watching this way after this giveaway that's ending in March, we are probably having another giveaway run, so make sure to go to cowboyscustoms.com/giveaway or cowboyscustoms.com/TCQR. There's two because we're having the website redone. Anyways, make sure to use code SPINNERS, SPINNERS, for 500 extra entries. Sorry for the shaky camera. Let's roll into the footage. This thing makes all the right noises, looks all the right ways, and man, it's just a sick truck. I don't know how else to put it. So this thing's on the 12-inch Cognito lift kit. It's got Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks on all four corners. This thing's a beast of a truck. It looks great. It sounds great. And so far, it drives really great. Honestly, it feels like what's the best thing I could compare it to that's a smaller lift kit? It doesn't feel like I'm 12 inches up in the air driving. Like its steering wheel's planted. But that's due in part because we did a Kryptonite tie rod replacement, or upgrade I should say, on this truck, and we did the Cognito upper control arms. So most of the big wearable parts we just replaced for this customer. Those Cognito uppers are running about $950 right now, and the Kryptonite tie rods are about $380. Those are both MSRP before install. This 12-inch Cognito lift is running about $7,500 So big prices on big lift kit parts and upgrades. Man, these train tracks I'm going over feel like nothing. This truck for 12 inches rides amazing. I'm impressed. This is Cognito's got a pretty good reputation as far as I know. We had previously lifted a truck on the 12-inch, but we did a cantilever rear suspension, and Chris and Junior both swear up and down by that kit as being the nicest riding lift kit they've ever installed. So all in all, Cognito around these parts is looked highly upon. But again, that $7,500 price tag before install, before powder coat, and I think that's what the Fox 2.0's. It's on the screen, so if I'm wrong, I put wrong text all over my face. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it in the mic, but this truck just sounds amazing. Drives amazing. Looks amazing. I'm a fan. I'm not biased towards Chevy or really even Cognito for that matter. It's just that the quality of the ride at this height, just, I'm impressed. No rubbing at full lock. The blow off. Woo. So this thing is running some 40s, 40, 1550, 24s. the American Force wheels. I honestly don't know which model they are. We previously did amp steps for this customer. We finally got a hold of the set at the peak of amp steps being completely out of stock everywhere. Alright, so I have to ask the question and have the conversation. Is it worth it? So everybody knows the truck market is crazy hot. I mean, just the automotive, like, used car market is nuts right now. So I honestly don't really know what these trucks are going for at the moment, but you're buying an older truck probably for overpriced, and then you're going to drop $7,500 on a lift kit before install. The suspension and steering component upgrades that this guy has done definitely make this thing like way more drivable. It doesn't walk hardly at all. If you make a big adjustment left, I don't know if I'll put my hand up top, but if I make a big adjustment left going like 40 miles an hour, there is a tiny delay. Honestly don't know off the top of my head what might help resolve that, but again, considering it's on 40s and a 12-inch lift, like, it doesn't feel like I have no lack of confidence driving this truck. It's a nice truck, nice kit, and if you're interested, make sure to hit us up. This thing's sweet. Enjoy the footage, or if it was before that, hope you enjoyed the footage.